Hello everyone, this is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. It comes to us with an issue. It was leaking all the time from the bottom here. And when I test the machine, this was related to this solenoid valve assembly, which is it is broken, so that what causes that. So I just replaced it and did some cleaning to the machine. And here you go, you can see here this much of money is normal. When you turn it on and it starts heating, then it stops. That's how it is. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. To recalibrate it from here. No leaks or anything. And that happens sometimes, like it could happen if you put so much coffee in there, or if it's super fine. So the OPV, the overpressure valve, yeah, now when it finishes, it's gonna leak a little bit. The rest of the water after the pressure that comes from behind the OPV, and then it stops. This is the normal. We're giving great shot with 3 layers of coffee. Let's test the hot water. This is perfect. And the steamer, it has a little bit of the water stays there in the system after I pull the hot water. And now should release some water after that also from the bottom here. I mean the steam, the rest of the steam. So this is the normal. Yeah, the machine works perfect now. Thank you for watching.